Let me start off by asking you a question. How long do you think your video resume should be? If you've spent any time creating video content, you'll know this is an age-old question, a question where the answer changes with the times. Currently, on social media platforms, the length of time varies between platforms. Using TikTok and Instagram as examples, TikTok allows videos of up to 3 minutes in length, while Instagram allows videos of up to 60 seconds when you're posting to your feed, and longer videos in their IGTV app. While YouTube is a search engine, it now also has a version of video that competes with TikTok and Instagram called YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts are videos of up to 60 seconds in length. So it may be reasonable to conclude that your video resume should be between 60 seconds and 3 minutes, right? Well, it depends. Here's the thing. There are no rules per se, just general guidelines. One source made the point that the best video is as long as needed, but as short as possible. But like with any marketing tool, and a video resume is a marketing tool, we need to think like our audience. Ask yourself, how long would you expect to stay engaged in a video about a product? In this case, the product is you. How long would you expect to be engaged in a video about a product you were just introduced to? Likely, you'd decide pretty quickly, like in the first few seconds, whether or not you're interested enough to keep watching. And if you're interested, you may be inclined to watch several minutes of a video talking about that product, perhaps even longer than 3 minutes. A recent study asked that question. What's the optimal length for a video? The responses ranged from 3 to 19 minutes, depending on its purpose. Was it informational, instructional, or meant to entertain? So I go back to my first question. How long do you think your video resume should be? It's clear that there is not a simple answer. For the purposes of this course and to help you get started with your video resume script, one simple point to keep in mind is that 1 minute of a video script is equal to about 150 written words. So if you're inclined to keep your video resume to 60 seconds, you'll need to write a script of only 150 words, which is about 1/3 of a page single-spaced. Now, you might be thinking 150 words, that's easy enough. But often writing less can be challenging. This reminds me of a quote by Winston Churchill. If you want me to speak for an hour, I'm ready now. If you want me to speak for 2 minutes, it will take me 3 weeks of preparation. But before we start to write, let's first look at a few options in terms of how you might want to structure your message.